Hey guys, the Nut Squad, we are here! Isn't that right face? Yeah, you guys see my face? Okay, so we are here, but we don't have, the person who loves the game the most. The Domino's in here. Creation? Are we glitching the train out today? Are we glitching the train out today? Creation? Creation, before I scream into the mic. You asked for it. Come on, I can make this. Yeah, I think I can make this. Kind of. Not a very good. This is where it stops. Okay, creation, about to glitch. Oh yeah, take that train. That's what I hate you, train. I'll never want to see you again. Yeah. Oh no, idiots! Are you there? If you don't talk to me now, I swear, you don't talk to me. Ah! Scare me a little. Okay, where are you? It's Everyday Pro. It's Everyday Pro with the Jack, the stupid, that's meant to say stupid person. I don't like Jake. I don't care about the Ball Brothers. I don't want to get in a fight, Ball. And then he just drops a diss track on me. I'm like, I'm only 10. Please stop. Okay, I'm gonna try to fly my helicopter under the map again.
No, that sucks.
No, it's actually really fun, but I don't want to lose the helicopter, so I'm gonna try a different way of doing something funny. I'm gonna clog the drain. Oh, is this you? Is that you? Did you just fly by me?
No.
Or is it this helicopter?
Maybe.
I don't know. Is it this helicopter or the helicopter or that helicopter? I'll have to lean in for closer looks.
No.
Yeah, that's you. That's you.
Helicopter.
I don't care about your helicopter.
Free.
Come on, we gotta go clog the drain. Follow my helicopter.
Yo, I'm gonna ruin the video. Mama.
Okay. No. Okay, here's the drain. Here, we gotta clog this big fat butt.
What?
Just come on, we just gotta clog this.
Station. Woo-hoo.
We just gotta clog this for when the train comes. It dies. I'm not sure when the train's gonna come, but are you here? Did you follow my helicopter?
Nope.
Well, then you have no clue what you're about to miss out on, boy. You're gonna be missing. You're gonna be missing out on the whole video. Maybe after we do this one glitch, we can go have fun. We can be prisoners. So when the twain comes, I will be pooping. It will be pooping out the twain. While it poops out the twain, we're gonna stop it from pooping with my helicopter. Oh, no, train. No. Dun 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 dun. Okay, come on. No. I hope this works. I really hope this works. Your boy Cow is about to do it. Your boy Cow is up in the race. Your boy Cow is ready for it. Your boy Cow is. We're gonna let go in 3, 2, 1, mommy! Oh! The train's derailing. I'm not sure if we should be concerned about that. Time to be prisoner. You better not, Rick. You better not. Anyway, okay. Keep it there. Okay. Swap.
Here on top of
Ha ha ha. Be a prisoner.
What?
Be a prisoner.
Where do I put off the heli?
In the yard. You just drop it in the yard, and then you swap teams. All I know is this one's mine. I'm gonna be able to escape. I'm getting out of here, boys. I'm getting out of here, boys. Oh yeah, cows. I mean, here we go, noobs. Okay, Nubs, we finally made it out, Nubs. No, that's what we call our fans since we're the Nub Squad. Anyway, come on. Okay, so there's the bank. Let's go. I don't have no key, so I guess we should go. I'm gonna go back to the prison and try to get a key.
I'll never give you my key.
No, you're supposed to be prisoner. You have to be prisoner. It's how the video is gonna work. Oh, you're still trying to put your thing down, aren't you?
I'm still trying to find a good place.
Not where I dropped mine.
Yeah, of course not. That's the worst place.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to get a key. There has to be some key around here. There has to be someone with the key. Okay, wait, dude, give me your key, please.
Nope, I've already turned into a you-know-what, a police. I mean a prison.
For a second, that's what I was being sound like. Sir? Okay.
What are your copter? I know where my copter is.
It's your copter, but I want the key. I want a key. Oh, this dude must give me the key. Give me the key. Wait, why doesn't it say it? Die, if you don't show me the key, then die. Do as I say now. Or you can arrest me. Works. You can arrest me. Thank you. That was very interesting. That was very interesting. Very.
By the way, I'm already gone in my helicopter.
Yeah, I think I've already been arrested by a cop. Stupid cops.
Ouch. And I'm in my helicopter.
Them. Stupid cops won't give me a free key. They're just sorry guys. I just got a little mad because there's not that many cops and usually they should be at the prison and it's just wrong. Sorry guys. Yay! Oh wait, no, I didn't mean to do it. No, ow, I'm too young to be jumping on a trampoline. No, I'm too young. Ow. I'm gonna go get a car after this. Kind of see. I wanna do something. Yeet. Okay. I'm going to drop the helicopter on to the trampoline. I know it sounds stupid, but actually may be cool. Oh, the trampoline! Oh my gosh, you need to watch this video. Helicopter? Are you okay? Helicopter. Okay, then, well, at least I know what happens when you drop the helicopter onto the trampoline. I just see your helicopter in the distance. Okay, let's go rob the J store.
What J store?
The jewelry store.
Yeah, because I don't have a key.
You don't need key cards for the jewelry store.
Well, where is the jewelry store?
Oh, wait, that's a police. Oh, no, not today. Yeet. Jewelry store, well, it has a diamond on it.
Yeah, I see it.
You're there. Yeet.
How do I get in without a key card?
Okay, is it open? Okay, it's still closed, but come on. You stay here. Come on. Wait, shouldn't we go to the criminal base first? Let's go to crim base first.
Definitely not.
Oh, that's yours. Let's go to Creme Base. Let's go there first so we can change out our clothes and get some guns.
Very
Dude, so then, Blue Domino's watching this is like, what the, you guys played Jailbreak without me, you. Is. Look, I landed mine straight on the top.
Yeah, that's where I landed.
Wait, I want to show you a glitch with the helicopter. It's cool. I just gotta get out of my clothes and put these clothes on.
I'm not glitching. I'm gonna be low-key.
Okay, so what you gotta do is, here's the cool thing. So when you jump out of the... No! We're gonna miss it! We're gonna miss it! We're gonna miss it! No. We're gonna miss it. We're gonna miss it. No. We're gonna miss the train! No! This isn't right! We're gonna miss the train! We haven't done a single wobbly this whole video! No! The train! The train! The train's so loose!
How? How do I rob it if there's no red?
Wait, there's no red?
Yeah.
Oh, that was probably from me earlier. No, my helicopter won't come down! Ugh! Come down right this instant!
I'm already off to the jewelry store.
You can head there! My helicopter is finally coming to the ground. Thank you, helicopter. Anyway, we need to get at least one robbery done this video. We haven't got a whole one. I don't even know what this video was this whole time. Do you know? It was pretty much us glitching the train. Or us being dumb stuff. Okay, I'm at J Store.
So how do I get inside it?
Look at me! Yeet! Are you...
That's my only question.
You're gonna have to wait till it's open, and then you just gotta crawl here.
I'm just gonna sit in my helicopter until then. When does it open?
During this time...
If you shoot me, quit it.
Nothing you can do. Okay, I'm sorry. You get out of the car and I'll give you my apology.
No, you're gonna kill me.
You can't shoot other criminals with a gun. Just get down so I can.
Bro, quit it.
Okay. Come on. I'll pause the video until it's open. Ah! Ah! Oh! Good. I spawned at the Creme Base. Dude, you guys all left and then I just sat there to get my head stuck in the thing and died. Okay, I'm coming. Don't worry. Oh no, that was the police. Oh no. Polices are everywhere. It's gonna be a race for me. It's gonna be a real race for me to do this. Okay. The J Store is this way. J Store. Come on. No, police. No, I didn't grab any guns. Oh no, don't, stop. No, stop. Idiot. Oh, I spawned at the Creme Base. Time to get some guns. This is gonna be perfect. This is right next to the jewelry store. Thank you, idiot! For actually something. Make sure not to watch this video with headphones, please. Saying that a little too late, but who cares? I love life. Who cares? I love life. Love life. Okay. Okay, time to get the gun. It's in here. Okay, guns in here. Dude, cops everywhere. Cop, go. Die. Yeah. No, it escaped. Oh, yeah. Yes. What is this, man? Oh, no. That pretty much sums up the video for today. Thank you guys for watching the Nub Squad video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. I hate my life, so bye.